morning students and welcome to our YouTube channel Gnan Manjari Modern School. So in the previous video we have just started the new chapter, that was chapter number 3, synthetic fibers and plastics. In that we have seen about the synthetic fibers. So what are synthetic fiber we have seen in that previous video. We are just revising the previous video. Okay students, see here, human being required clothing material or fabrics. Fabrics are used to stitch different types of clothing or garments such as t-shirts, trousers, skirts. Fabrics are also used for manufacture of carpet, bed, table linen, curtains, towels, etc. Fabrics or clothing materials are generally made from thin thread like fibers. See here, fabrics or clothing material are generally made from the thin and thread like fibers. And next what we have seen, there are two types of fibers, synthetic fiber and natural fiber. Synthetic fibers means which is synthesized by chemically and man-made, these fibers are there, so it is known as synthesized fiber. And natural, it are such as cotton and silk, which are we obtain from animals and plant. Okay students, next see here, reading it again, fibers can be either natural or synthetic. Natural fibers such as cotton and silk are obtained from plants and animals respectively, whereas synthetic fibers are man-made fibers produced from chemical substance such as petroleum product, coal and natural gas. In this chapter, we will learn about synthetic fibers and plastics, their property and uses. We will also learn about the difficulties associated with their disposal and thus their impact on the environment. Next is polymerization. So, I have told about the polymerization. So, what is polymerization? If I draw one thread, in that thread what the beads, this type of small beads, see students, we have seen this example in our previous video, that when these beads, one beads, these beads are, one bead is known as monomer. This is monomer. When the more means this many monomers just combine and form polymers, but the joining of more monomers and forms polymer, this is called as polymerization. See here, it is written, the joining of the small units called monomers to form a polymer or a long fiber is known as polymerization. Okay students, that we have seen. And next here comes the synthetic fibers has a large number of similar repeating units joined together to form a long strand like the beads on a string. The structure is a long strand of similar beads where each beads represent a monomer. See here, there is a figure which I have drawn over here. Then after we have seen rayon, that it is a synthesized fiber, artificial silk. This is rayon, is a artificial silk. Silk is synthesized and forms the rayon, so it is also known as artificial silk. See here, it is a semi-synthetic, rayon is the oldest man-made fiber which resembles silk and hence known as artificial silk. It is a semi-synthetic fiber as it is prepared from plant cellulose which is derived from the wood pulp. Due to this reason, rayon has many characteristics that are similar to that of the natural fibers. Some of the characteristics of rayon are, so now we will see the characteristics of the rayon. See, the first characteristic was the fabric is soft and comfort, means it is soft and comfortable to wear, and it absorbs moisture, which make it suitable not only for dyeing in different colors but also as a summer wear fabric. It absorbs sweat and also allows it to evaporate away from the skin, means rayon's next property is what? Characteristic is what? It just absorbs the sweat and direct allows to evaporate that sweat from the body. So it is also known as summer wear. See here, it is shiny and lustrous. And uses. Now we will see some of the uses that are rayon is used for making embroidery threads, shirts, ties, scarves, home furnishing like bed sheets, curtains, tablecloths, sofa covers, etc. and bandages. Okay students, in this way these rayon are used. Okay, now what we will do? Nylon. Nylon is considered as the first and complete synthetic fiber. It was synthesized from petroleum in 1930s. The characteristic of nylon are, see here, nylon is considered the first totally synthesized fabric, means this is completely synthesized, not any of the natural fibers were used and synthesized it. So see here, it is written at nylon is considered as the first and complete synthetic fiber. It was synthesized from petroleum in 1930s. The question can be asked students. The characteristics of nylon are: the fibers is light, strong, durable and highly elastic. Means it is light, strong and durable and highly elastic. It remains its shape even after repeated use and washing. It will not change its shape after use and the washing. Okay students, it will remain the same because it has elastic material. We all know what is elasticity. If I just pull a rubber and just give back, then what will happen? It will remain come back in the same shape it as before. See, nylon is used for making socks, stocking, umbrellas, parachutes, ropes, fishing nets, bristle of toothbrush and strings of badmintons and tennis racket. Now, moving further up to this, we have seen in the previous video. Now we will see in further. So now what we will see students, here is the polyester. We have heard about the polyester. So now we will see what is polyester. Polyester. So what is polyester? See here, first of all I am reading it. Polyester is a class of synthetic substance. Means it is a class of synthetic substance. Some polyesters can be drawn into fibers and also can be used as plastics. For example, PET or polyethylene terephthalate is also known as polyester, which is used as a fabric, and PET as plastic. So first of all, PET is what? We will write that what is PET. So PET, that is polyethylene terephthalate phthalate. So, and is known as polyester. As a fabric, it is used as fabric, and PET as plastic. The fibers are used either for weaving pure polyester fabrics or they are blended with other fibers. For example, polycotton is blended of polyester and cotton and has a better absorbing power than the pure polyester fibers. See here, polycotton is blended of the polyester and cotton, means polyester is combined with cotton, so polycotton is formed. In this, it has more absorption than the polyester. Okay, students. The characteristics, see here I am writing one by one the characteristics of it. See here, the first one is the fiber is strong, fiber is strong, light, durable, elastic, and wrinkle resistance, wrinkle resistance. See here, this fiber is strong, light, durable, elastic and wrinkle resistance. Okay, students, and we will see the next point of this characteristic, which is it retains its shape even after repeated use. Okay, students, it retains its shape even after repeated use. If we use this polyester, okay, students, and if we use again and again and again, after some time some of the clothes are just change its shapes, but it retains its shape even after repeated use. It will not change its shape. Okay, students, now seeing about the uses of polyester. So these were the characteristics of the polyester. Sorry, students, this was not the characteristic. These two were the characteristic. And now just seeing about its uses. So uses, the first use is polyester is used for making formal suit, for men, bed sheet, sleeping bags, sleeping bags, sportswear, lightweight, lightweighted, snails and conveyor and safety belts, safety belts. Okay students, so these are the some of the uses of the polyester. See here, first of all we will see again the characteristics of the polyester, and then after we will see the use of polyester. See, the fabric is strong, light, durable, elastic and wrinkle resistance. It retains its shape even after repeated use, and its uses is polyester is used for making formal suits for men, bed sheets, sleeping bags, fleeces, sportswear, lightweight, snails and conveyor and safety belts. Now next is arsenic, going towards that. So, writing about arsenic. See here, arsenic fibers are warm fibers. These fibers are also known as orlon or archilon. Their characteristic fibers are it is strong, soft and warm with close resemble to the wool. It is resistant to moths, and its uses are it is used for making sweaters, socks, shawls, sportswear, carpets and blankets. See here, it is a warm fiber. So, the sweaters, the shawls, some of the sportswear which we used to wear in the winter season, so it keeps our body warm. So, this fiber is used. Okay students, see here, writing about its characteristics. See here, before writing the characteristics, I would like to write some of the points from that. See here, it are warm fibers, warm fibers, warm fibers, and it is also known as It is also known as Orlon and as written. And now writing about the characteristics of it. See here, the first characteristic is it is strong, soft and warm with resemble to wool. Okay students, next point is it is resistant to moths. It is resistant to moths and its uses writing over here, it is used for making sweaters, socks, shawls, sportswear, carpets and blankets. Okay students, this is about the arsenic. So what is it? It are warm fibers, means it is used to wear in the winter season or else where there is the cold region. Second is it is also known as Orlon and Archian. Okay, and it is strong, soft, warm with resemble to the wool. It is resistant to moths. It is used for making sweaters, socks, shawls, sportswear, carpets and blankets. Okay students. Now students, it's time for your homework. So please write down your today's homework. So your homework is read and write see here the characteristics and uses of polyester and arsenic. Okay students, you have to read and write down the characteristics and uses of polyester and arsenic. Okay students, up till then stay safe, stay home. Okay, bye students.